Respect your parents, be your parents very close. This is very important. Parents, everything, your mother, your father, and that's it. And everything in your life is gonna be good if you're gonna listen to your parents, mother, father, be very close with them, and that's it. I think other things, everything is come, because your parents gonna teach you what you have to do. But when you're 15, 16 or 17 years old, you think you know everything, you feel a little bit power, you forget about when you was 2 years old or 1.5 years old, you forget about everything. Now you big guy, 16 years old, okay, and you feel power, everything, and you sometimes you don't respect your parents. You have to remember everything when you grow up, how they support you, how they give you life.